everyone, it's your girl AV and I'm back with another DIY tutorial. Now, you guys know me for making DIY projects, but did you also know that I am an award-winning game developer? This is my award. My business partner and I created the first card game dedicated to hip-hop culture. It's called University of Dope, and we were awarded Tabletop Game of the Year from the BIT Awards. Whoop, 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 whoop. When you're a small business owner, little details matter, like seeing your brand on things like t-shirts, inflatable chairs, or sneakers. Those are all things that really heighten the sense and the awareness of your business. And you can do it with your Cricut, and I'm going to show you how to do an iron-on onto sneakers right now. Wait, before you watch this video, make sure you subscribe and click the little bell so you can get all of my videos first. Upload your logo into Design Space, then select your image type. Once uploaded, delete any areas you would like to leave transparent. Save as a cut file, then upload into your project. Place your iron-on vinyl plastic side down onto your cutting mat. Set your Cricut to iron on, load, then cut. Remove any negative space that you do not want on your final project. We call this process weeding. Put your weeded image onto your sneakers, plastic side up. Make sure your iron is very hot, but no steam. Press down for 10 to 15 seconds, then move to another area of your image. Once your iron-on is adhered to your sneakers, let cool, then peel off the plastic. I love my custom-made sneakers. You're probably thinking to yourself, hey AV, I don't have a small business that I want to promote. That is absolutely fine. You can get some canvas sneakers and design anything you want on them. You should use a flat iron if you have some edges that is hard to get to, maybe the tongue of the sneaker or the front of the sneaker. Pro tip. And you only see that if you watched until the end. I appreciate you guys watching, and don't forget to subscribe. You can find me at avdoeswhat.com, avdoeswhat on Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. And don't forget, life is better when you do it yourself. Until next time, see you later.